Hello ladies, Susan with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have our third card for the Special Reason bundle. This is our June edition, and I'm going to let you know I did case this from a demonstrator in Australia, but I just thought it was a nice clean, simple card that I think all of you would enjoy it. We are using the gold foil for an embellishment, and we'll just go ahead and get started. So when your kit comes, you're going to have a piece of gold foil that you're going to end up cutting leaves out of. You'll have a piece of Very Vanilla that you're going to cut flowers out of. Then you have two pieces that are going to be mounted together to make your front panel. And you also have a piece to line your card and your envelope. So keep those pieces straight and you get them all pulled out of your kit before we get started. So here's the one I'm working on. So I'm going to tell you first to do all your stamping. So we're going to go ahead and stamp our two flowers, and I'm using Pink Pirouette ink. So stamp one, then switch to the smaller one, stamp a smaller one. Then you're going to take that to your big shot in a minute when it's dry, and you're going to use the framelits that do the outline. Okay, line those up, run those through your big shot, and then you'll have your two cut out flowers. Okay, so I've done that. Then on the inside, let me show you, I stamped the large blossom again, and then I put the words over the top of it. I thought that was kind of clever. Something different we haven't done. So go ahead and stamp your blossom. I used the large one on the inside. And then I'm going to get my words out and my other piece of vanilla. So I put on the front, there's no special reason for this card. So I'm going to do that again. And I'm using my archival black, and I'm putting it near the bottom. And then on the inside, it says, except to say how much you, let's see, what does it say? Can't read the small print. Except to let you know how special you are. Of course, that's what it says. So, on top of your flower, going the right way, yep, you're going to stamp your expression. And you can use these words, you can use words from another set. You make it your card. I'm just trying to stick with the set when I make the demonstrations for you. Okay, so now we can go ahead and assemble. So this is going to be our card liner. So just add some adhesive and center that in the center of your card. Okay, then on the front, we're going to layer the vanilla onto the gold. There's about 1/8 of an inch frame around that, so it's a tight frame. Then I'm going to add my two flowers with dimensionals. And I'm going to keep my dimensionals in the center of my flowers so that I can put glue dots on my gold leaves and tuck them underneath the edges. So I'm going to put one flower up here, another one down there. Okay, so now you're going to die cut your gold leaves. Sorry, I gotta get my glue dots. So I'm just going to stick a glue dot on the end of each of these leaves, and then I'm just going to tuck them under my flower. That way the glue dot won't be exposed and we're all attached. Okay, so now I'm also going to use dimensionals to pop up the gold piece on the front of our card. One more. break these free. And we'll put that on the front. So I left the front of the card without any embossing or stamping, but you could certainly stamp ink on color, color on color, or Versamark if you wanted some imaging on your pink. Or you could run it through your Big Shot with an embossing folder like we often do and add some texture to that, but I thought this time we would just keep it clean and simple. And then on the envelope you'll see that I stamped the small blossom again. So I hope you enjoy, have fun, nice, simple, not too stressful card for you to make, and enjoy it. And until next time, happy stamping!